Welcome to Be Clever. Please subscribe to my channel.
In this video, we will learn 10 birds' name with spelling and how they sounds. So, let's start. Number 1, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. They sounds like. Number 2, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. They sounds like. Number 3, penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. They sounds like. Number 4, eagle. E-A-G-E-L. Eagle. They sounds like. Number 5, crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. They sounds like. Number 6, owl. O-W-L. Owl. They sounds like. Number 7, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. They sounds like. Number 8, duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. They sounds like. Number 9, kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. They sounds like. Number 10, ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. They sounds like.
Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos.